So I wanted to talk about options for step files, and the reason is it comes up frequently that we have questions about dealing with a step file and how it's set up. Like imported models will come in maybe with funny surfaces or they're not linked properly. And so one way to handle that is to adjust your step file settings. But at a glance, there's no way to do that. You don't handle it through the standard system options. It's actually handled through the file itself. So when I select step, we notice that no change occurs and all I have is references, which I can open, but it really has nothing to do with the step file because it's typically used for SOLIDWORKS files. So how do I get that option up? Well, I'd come to all files and navigate to step right there. And when I select it, you'll notice that I have now an options setting for step files. So if I open that up, you'll notice that I have some changes from the default model, and that would include the BREP mapping and then automatically run import diagnostics healing, because sometimes those surfaces come together and they needed to be healed, or the gaps need to be knit. And so I'm going to say OK and open, and what that'll effectively do is parse the file and build a model. Now I can run import diagnostics if I say yes. In this case I don't have any issues, but you would see a list of faulty faces or gaps, and then we could use attempt to heal, and in doing so we can kind of repair the model. Now in this case it's a good model. I'm not going to run feature recognition because I just wanted to talk about what we have available right now. And so I'll add some edges, and then I'm just going to do a cross section so you can see the difference. So there's our imported file. I don't have any features to deal with, but it did knit all the surfaces together, and if I want to create features based off of this, I certainly can. And that is how we'd handle options in the step file setup.